How to check DMs on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to check your DMs on Instagram, then simply go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, on the bottom center of your screen, you will see the DM icon. Tap on that and you will be led to your inbox. Here, simply scroll through and tap on the message that you want to look forward to and you will be able to see the message. You can also tap on the request option if you want to check message requests from person that you have not added on your Instagram. Or you can also simply tap on the search icon you see there and then search for the individual whose message that you are looking forward to. And on their profile, you will see the message option. Tap on that and you will be able to check the DM from there too. So, this was about how you can check DMs on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.